How to construct fare for an itinerary. When it comes to air travel, understanding how fares are constructed is crucial for both travel professionals and passengers. In this video, we will guide you through the process of constructing a fare for an itinerary. Let's get started. Step 1. Determine the origin and destination. The first step in constructing a fare is identifying the origin and destination of your journey. Whether it's a one-way trip or a round-trip journey, clearly defining the starting and ending locations is crucial. Step 2. Select the class of service. Next, determine the class of service for your itinerary. Airlines typically offer different classes such as first class, business class, and economy class. Each class has its own fare structure and amenities, which will influence the fare calculation. Step 3. Consider the routing. The routing of your itinerary plays a significant role in fare construction. This refers to the specific path taken, including any stopovers or connecting flights. Different routings may have varying fare amounts based on factors such as distance and airline agreements. Step 4. Understand fare rules. Fare rules are the set of conditions that govern the fare and determine its applicability. These rules may include restrictions on changes, refunds, minimum or maximum stay requirements, and advance purchase requirements. It's crucial to review and understand these rules as they can impact the fare construction and ticket flexibility. Step 5. Utilize fare construction tools. Travel professionals often use specialized fare construction tools or global distribution systems, GDS, to calculate fares accurately. These systems have access to airline fare databases and can generate fare quotes based on your provided itinerary information. They take into account factors such as class of service, routing, and fare rules. Step 6. Verify applicable taxes and surcharges. In addition to the base fare, it's essential to consider taxes, fees, and surcharges that may apply to your itinerary. These additional charges, such as airport taxes or fuel surcharges, are added to the base fare to determine the total ticket price. Make sure to factor in these costs to provide an accurate fare estimate. Step 7. Review fare calculation results. Once the fare construction is complete, review the fare calculation results to ensure accuracy. Double-check the itinerary details, fare rules, taxes, and any other relevant information. This step helps identify any errors or discrepancies that need to be addressed before finalizing the fare. Step 8. Provide fare quote to the passenger. Finally, present the fare quote to the passenger or client. Clearly communicate the fare breakdown, including the base fare, taxes, and any additional charges. It's crucial to explain the fare rules and any applicable restrictions to avoid any confusion. Constructing fares for itineraries requires attention to detail, knowledge of fare rules, and familiarity with industry tools. By following these steps, travel professionals can provide accurate fare quotes, and passengers can make informed decisions when booking their flights. Remember, fares can vary based on factors such as availability, seasonality, and airline policies.